Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this lovely 208 GT line. It's got a 1.2 litre PureTech engine with 110 horsepower and automatic gearbox. Outside of the car you've got 17-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows, there's reverse parking sensors and a reversing camera. Inside you've got the GT line styled seats with red stitching. There's also sat-nav on the 7-inch touchscreen that also features DAB digital radio, Bluetooth, Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. There's dual zone air conditioning, cruise control, and this car's only done delivery miles. So let's have a look around. So if this car is of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.